Welcome to channel, and in today's video, we're going to demystify the world of investing. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, understanding the fundamentals of investing is essential for building wealth in any market. In this video, we'll explore the key principles and strategies that can help you navigate the ups and downs of the market and secure your financial future. Let's get started with investing demystified. 1. The power of investing. Investing is one of the most powerful tools to grow your wealth over time. By putting your money to work in various financial instruments, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate, you have the potential to generate passive income and achieve financial freedom. 2. Set clear financial goals. Before you start investing, it's crucial to define your financial goals. Ask yourself what you're investing for: retirement, buying a home, funding your child's education, or achieving financial independence. Having clear goals will help you tailor your investment strategy to match your objectives. 3. Assess your risk tolerance. Investing always carries some degree of risk, and your risk tolerance plays a significant role in determining your investment approach. Are you comfortable with higher risks and potentially higher returns, or do you prefer a more conservative approach with stable but lower returns? Understanding your risk tolerance will help you strike the right balance in your investment portfolio. 4. Diversification, the investor's safety net. Diversification is a fundamental principle in investing. It involves spreading your investments across different asset classes and industries to reduce risk. By not putting all your eggs in one basket, you can protect your portfolio from extreme swings in any particular market. 5. Long-term mindset and compound interest. Successful investing requires a long-term mindset. Trying to time the market or chasing short-term gains can lead to costly mistakes. Instead, focus on the power of compound interest, where your earnings generate more earnings over time, accelerating your wealth growth. 6. Passive versus active investing. When it comes to investing, you have two main approaches: passive and active investing. Passive investing involves buying and holding a diversified portfolio for the long term, aiming to match the performance of a specific market index. Active investing, on the other hand, involves more hands-on management, aiming to outperform the market through strategic buying and selling. 7. The importance of research. Before investing in any asset, do your research. Analyze the companies, industries, or funds you're interested in. Consider their financial health, historical performance, and future prospects. Being well-informed will help you make better investment decisions. 8. Emotions and behavioral finance. Emotions can significantly influence our investment decisions. Fear and greed are common emotions that can lead to impulsive buying or selling, often resulting in losses. Understanding behavioral finance can help you recognize these emotional biases and stay disciplined during market fluctuations. 9. Investing in a volatile market. Market volatility is a natural part of investing, but it can be intimidating. During uncertain times, it's essential to stay calm and avoid making emotional decisions. Stick to your long-term plan, and consider opportunities that may arise during market downturns. 10. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about investing or want expert guidance, consider consulting a financial advisor. A qualified advisor can help you create a personalized investment plan aligned with your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've unlocked the secrets of investing demystified. Remember, building wealth in any market is a journey, not a race. Stay disciplined, keep learning, and adapt your strategies as needed. Over time, the power of compounding and sound investment decisions will pave the way to financial security and prosperity. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance and investment strategies. If you have any questions or want to share your investment experiences, leave a comment below. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to your successful investing journey. Stay tuned for our next video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Like and share this video with your friends to help them on their investment journey. Until next time, take care, and happy investing.